guys, it's me Christopher. Now today there's gonna be snow today. And look, as you can see, no power today at my house. And look, oh my gosh, look, as you can see, there's snow on the old car. And look, I'm gonna drive in my car. Whoa, this is so slippery. We're almost there. Look, as you can see, there's snow on the road. Look, we opened the garage and no power today. Everywhere. Oh my gosh, look. There's no power today. Guys, comment down below if there's no power today. Look, oh my gosh, look. There's ice on the grass. I'm sorry. Look! Oh my gosh, look, there's grass on the snow. Look, everywhere. Oh my god, you need to go play. So guys, comment down below if you're afraid of there's snow when there's no power. Like and subscribe to my channel, okay? And share. Bye.